Who's ready to win some free stuff? Welcome back to Eccentric Nature. I'm Eric, and on this channel I like to cover funny, weird, and bizarre facts about plants, herbs, and animals. Give you a few tips and tricks about how to raise them in your home, and maybe even a recipe or two. But that doesn't happen very often. Who cares? So if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, like it, everything fun like that. Yay! But enough about me. Let's give you guys some free things. Yay! So I've got my super wheel ready to go. I'm gonna set it up here, so ready for a clip. Okay, here we go. We're gonna spin. Wow! It's got noise and everything. I forgot about that. Woohoo! Oh, it's still spinning. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Oh, stand back close. Shut down. Oh, turn out your call. Oh, no, we're getting close, AJ. Is it AJ? Is it Olivier? Olivier Rodriguez! Olivier Rodriguez, you are the winner! Congratulations! I wasn't ready for that sound. I did this without sound last time, so that was quite surprising. Woo, Olivier Rodriguez! You are my winner for 750! Well done, sir! Yeah! I love this wheel. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna turn the sound off because that kind of freaked me out. Spin it again. Okay. Who's gonna win? I know I'm supposed to do one winner, but it's just so fun spinning this thing. Oh! I think it's Maniac Grammy's Homestead. Maniac Granny's Homestead. Oh yeah! Love this gal. She's been watching my channel and supporting me for a long time. Thank you, Maniac Grammy, and congratulations. I will send both you guys a small gift of appreciation. You need to give me your address, though. I will put my email down in the links below, and you can let me know how to get a hold of you and how to send you free stuff. If they don't send me their info, which I'm sure Maniac Grammy, she's gonna send me her info. Olivier, I'm not sure, he's one of my newer guys, and we'll find out. If he doesn't, maybe I'll give somebody else something. Hey, who knows? But for now, that's it for that. Again, thank you, everybody. Oh my gosh, this week in particular has been tremendous. I mean, my channel has just been steadily growing, but this week, after I put out that 750 video, I'm suddenly at like 50, 60 subscribers more. I was just like, what the heck? So, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I just can't thank each and every one of you enough for all of this. It's just, love you, thank you. It means so much to me. I mean, I love doing these videos, and I love the responses I've been getting from everybody and all the comments. It's so wonderful to be able to interact with people like this. So, speaking of people, why don't we shout some of them out? Shout out number 1! I've got Angela's Garden Sense. Angela does gardening videos and a whole bunch of different ones. Her most recent ones are split tomatoes and a dome for seedlings. Fun. Questions about peppers, and they ate my red Russian kale! Oh, sounds scary. Who ate the red Russian kale? It's a mystery. Find out by watching Angela's Garden Sense. Shout out number 2! PG Nano Farm. PG Nano Farm. They're the greatest. PG Nano Farm. Now, these guys are actually bigger than me, but they're awesome, and they've done some really cool challenges. I've joined into some of them as myself. Most recently, it's like my favorite thumbnail of hers is her most recent video on canning pickles for beginners. Great thumbnail, guys. Yeah. But they, of course, talk about their family and their gardening and stuff. So, and a lot of you guys will probably already know them, but if you don't, check out PG Nano Farm. Shout out number 3. It's just one of these. That's 6. My Goat Shed Life. My Goat Shed Life. My Goat Shed Life does a variety of things. She does talk about some gardening stuff. She did my Show Me Your Herbs challenge. If you haven't done that yet, you still can. I'll add you to my playlist. But she also does some fun things. She has this Word Wednesday thing that she does that I just watched one on recently where she takes a fun word and talks about it and talks about other things. But her most recent one was great because it was like talking about positivity and the things you can do, along with talking about the word ameliorate and what it means. She has her Funny Friday stories. She's got a joke that she likes to do on Funny Fridays, which is always fun. So other little cooking videos, great stuff. My Goat Shed Life. Give her a shot. Shout out number 4, Roopster760. This guy is like a professional pool player. He goes from tournament to tournament. I mean, it's completely different from the other stuff, but if you like pool at all, check this guy's stuff out. He recently got done with the tournament in Las Vegas. He's got a bunch of videos on that. But yeah, Roopster760, give him a shot. Final shout out number 5. This is Christina in Michigan. Hello, Christina. This is your shout out. Now, Christina does various Dollar Tree hauls and such. Her most recent one's on a friend mail. She had done one on a 9-in-1 golf cleaning set. That was fun. If I ever golf, I'm going to probably get one of those sets because that's a pretty cool set. But yeah, various things about the hauls and things she gets and stuff. So cool little fun things like that. If you like those kind of unboxing or Dollar Tree haul videos, Christina in Michigan's probably for you. Give her a look. So that's it. Thank you, my friends. I really appreciate each and every one of you. One more time. Gratitude, love, and warm feelings for all you guys because I couldn't do this without you. I mean, if I still had 100 subscribers at this point, I'd be like, oh, forget it. It's not worth it. But, you know, as my channel just keeps growing and growing and more people keep sending me wonderful, positive comments, the more I'm just like, yeah, I love this. Let's do more. Woohoo! But that's it for now. Until next time, y'all take care of each other and please have the best week you possibly can.